have a cup now so you can stay up and finish your application.
Exactly.
Right.
But it's only for a year, so.
Are you complaining about a year
No,
of travel?
that'd be sweet.
no, but
That
I
would be
mean,
amazing.
I guarantee 20,000 people apply for that job.
Oh, yes, it has to be
Low
a
end,
huge number.
right? I
But
would love
like,
to hear
I
from
want to do
them
that
at
for
the
a
end.
long time, I guess is what
Yeah.
I'm saying,
Oh,
not just
yes.
a year.
Do you guys remember
Forever.
two people that stuck with me? Rick
Us?
Steves.
No,
Yeah.
okay.
Rick Steves and then Samantha Brown.
I don't know Samantha Brown.
So the same thing. They travel. I think
Write
Samantha
about
Brown
it,
does
teach the rest of us.
domestic stuff too. So she does United States travel. Rick Steves is just Europe. Point is, that's their job,
Right.
which is like pretty amazing.
Thank God, because I've relied on Rick Steves quite a bit.
Yes.
But, so I'm thankful he's doing it.
Yes.
Lucky job.
Yeah. You know I'm a big Rick Steves fan. Literally have a T-shirt of him. 68
He has one
Portland.
of you too.
Yeah, that's so weird. I love when that happens. 70 in Augusta, 67 in Bangor. Nice day today. A little bit below average. We're a little slow to start out, but some late afternoon highs, making for a nice afternoon into the evening. Satellite is clear in most spots. We did have some cloud cover over far southern Maine. We're fighting with that off and on through the day, but the vast majority of the state has been sunny today and pleasant. Hour by hour forecast does increase some clouds tonight. Just so you know, if you're out this evening, up through midnight, no problems. Even after that, honestly, there's not that much shower activity until the early morning hours. And here we are at 6 a.m. And this is a really kind of an aggressive take on the shower activity by this model. Many of them have fewer showers, and they're even farther south than this. So we will see some showers around, I think, tomorrow morning, but by 10 o'clock or so, most of us are done with that. And by noon at the latest, even along the coastline, we should be cleared out. And then it's just a matter of getting farther away from the ocean and farther away from that system to our south. So the farther north you head and kind of northwest, the better the day will be in the 60s. The coast is likely stuck in the 50s, especially the southern coast, with cloudy conditions. Father's Day looks better, more consistent for everyone, where it's a mixture of sun and clouds and temperatures probably in the mid to upper 60s away from the coastline, maybe a couple of 70s by tomorrow, Sunday afternoon, much like today. But along the coast it's likely a little bit cooler. But it's a dry day and it's pleasant for most locations. And then we go into Monday and Tuesday, which are pretty quiet days, not a whole lot going on early next week. Our next thing of note will be some heat, perhaps Wednesday and Thursday. So here's a good way to look at that rain potential on Saturday, where it's really clustered over the southern half of the state, and there's not much of it. So there's a chance that even Portland, for example, doesn't see any rain. I think Bangor North likely will not see any shower activity. So it's quiet, and then it starts to warm up. And what you don't see here is that it will also be humid Wednesday, and I think Thursday especially. But you know, Wednesday hits me as strange because the low-level cloud fields in the models is quite thick, but it's also like almost 80 and the dew points in the mid-60s. So I think it'll be one of those. There's actually, to me, almost nothing more summery than heat when it's not trying to be hot, which I think is kind of what Wednesday is going to be. Thursday is going to be trying. It'll be in the mid-80s, perhaps even some low 90s in a couple of spots. So weekends decent, start to get into some warmer weather. We're kind of doing Wednesdays and Thursdays as our
that's
hot
our window
days
there.
lately. But
Some weird patterns this
yeah,
year.
sure is. Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.